Hey ladies and gentlemen, how are you? Are you well? Did you enjoy my previous video? Did you? Are you sure you did? I don't think so, guys, because there is no likes, no comments, no any new subscriptions. So seems like maybe you're not interested. Must I make videos rather on dancing or some entertainment stuff? Are you not enjoying the education? So if you are liking my videos and if you want me to continue, then please give some response. Come on guys, subscribe. If you will not subscribe my channel, then I will not get motivated to make more videos. But I want to give you information, lots of knowledge I want to give you. I want to make you guaranteed guys. 200% guarantee, 200% guarantee. I'm telling you, I will make you a software engineer. If you keep watching my videos, you don't have to pay too much fees to the colleges and universities. Without paying so many fees, for free I'm teaching you. I will make you, turn you into a top-notch software developer. I promise you. Yes, we are learning here systems development, my guys. Come on, my friends. See, language we are learning. It's not that easy, but yes, I will teach you. I promise you. Okay, so today's topic is loops. Loops in C language. I will tell you about loops in C language. Very easy, in very easy way. I will teach you the concept of loops. What exactly is loops in C language and why we use loops in C language. Very easy example. As an example, remember we learned how to print your name in C language. The command, the instruction of the C language was printf Nadir. What this instruction will do? Display my name into the computer screen, right? Okay, you don't like my name? Okay, what is your name? Amber. Okay, fine. I can remove my name. I will write Amber. Amber, you happy now? Amber? Now computer will display Amber's name. Computer screen will display because of printf function. Okay, the point is it will display only once. Let's say, remember when we were children, when we were in the school, sometimes we were making a mistake or anything happened. If the teacher is upset, what teacher we used to do? In the whole page, write 10 times, I am sorry, if you were naughty boy or naughty girl. So now we are opening, on the whole page we are writing, I am sorry, I am sorry, I am sorry. Or if you were making mistakes in the spellings, instead of A, M, B, E, R, if you wrote A, B, M, E, R, wrong spelling, then to teach you the correct spelling, some teachers were used to, I remember when I was in grade 2 maybe, one of the teacher gave me this, it was a punishment that in 100 times write the correct spelling of the word. Okay, so many times we have to write. But now I'm just telling you this story to teach you loops. So as an example, in this example here, as an example, what if the teacher gave us punishment? Okay, and teacher wants me to write the name Amber 1000 times. 1000 times. Imagine guys, how long will it take you that you must write so many times print f another Amber and then another Amber, printf Amber, printf Amber, printf Amber. Imagine if teacher give you an assignment of your class that you must write Amber 1000 times. Computer screen must display Amber 1000 times. So what you will do? There is only one way to display something on the computer screen. What is the instruction? Which function we use to display something on the screen? Printf. So are you going to write printf 1000 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1000 times? Oh my god, it will take very long. How about to use a trick? Instead of writing 1000 lines, maybe the same work we can do only in 1, 2, 3. 3 lines, my friends, 3 lines. Only in 3 lines we will do a trick. That is why we are going to be a programmer, a software engineer, systems developer. That somebody spends so much time for 1000 lines and you will write a very smart code of only 3 lines and the result will generate the name 1000 times. But You did not write 1000 lines. You only give instructions in your C language, 3 lines of code. Guys, 3 lines of code. That is a smart code. This is why instead of writing, this is where the concept of loops will come. We will start looping. As an example, we will write printf only one time and we will loop it. We will cycle it. We will keep continue it. Until how long we will keep continue it? Until 1000 times. And then when 1000 times is done, it will come out of the loop. And then only with the 3 lines of code, my friends, 3 lines of code, the work will be done of 1000 lines. This is the smart code. This is where the smart guys sometimes use loops. So you do get couple of types of loops. Okay, let's clear this and let's continue about loops. So I will give you example of types of loops. How many loops we get? We get in C language, we get for loop. In C language, we also, I'm only telling you the popular one loops, okay? For loop, we get while loop, okay? And we also get do while loop. So in this class, the while loop is your assignment. I will not tell you. Remember, I told you I will give you the hints and then you must also learn yourself. You must research. This is why I always tell, I am teaching you here, not just teaching you, I am teaching you how to learn. You must learn that how to learn. This is what my basic objective is. I want to teach you how to learn. So you must learn how to learn. If I will give you everything in like a piece of cake, how you will, then I'm killing your abilities, I repeat. I don't want to kill your abilities of learning. So certain things you must try to focus yourself, research yourself. So here, while loop, you will learn yourself, promise? Promise? I know sometimes it can be lazy and it can be boring, but just try, whenever you get a little bit extra time, try to read about while loop, try to Google about do while loop. I will not teach you, I will teach you for loop. Okay? I will clear the concept of looping by using the for loops in C language. So let's write a code, let's write a programming of by using for loop. Okay guys, my friends, how was your day by the way? Here in Cape Town today, such a fabulous day. Whole day it's been raining and very beautiful, nice, cold breezes. Very beautiful day in Cape Town. It's evening now. It's getting dark outside. That's why indoor class. Okay, I'm sitting in my daughter's room. So yeah. Okay, so let's write the code by in C language. This is implementation of for loop. As an example, for. I'm not writing everything. Certain things should be standard by now. As an example, remember, I teach you in previous classes on the C language code. First, you will write stdio.h, conio.h, void main void. This all you know already. I don't have to keep repeating the same thing. So I'm just assuming that you know the basics, and I'm just to the point. I'm teaching you for loops. I'm not keep on repeatedly teaching you what is void main void and everything. So I will not write everything again. I will only come to the point that the topic of the day is loops and we are learning for loop. Here we are writing the source code. We are writing the coding of C language and implementing for loop, my friends. Is equal to 1 less than or equal to 10, or let's say 1000 I plus plus. Printf. You don't want me to write Nadir? You don't like? Are you bored of name Amber? Any other name? What is your name? Your name? Hey Tom, where were you in previous class, my friend? Come on, Tom. You missed previous class. So now this is your punishment. I will not write your name. Okay? Not today, not your name. Anybody else? What is your name? What? Safifi. No, so difficult name. So sorry, so sorry. I'm having difficulty. I will write some easy name. Let's write Eva. Eva is very easy for me. E-V-A. Eva. Some of you will pronounce it as Eva. I call it Eva. Okay. So, see, such a smart code. Okay, not 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is only 4 lines. The result of these 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 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 4 lines, You turned thousands of code into only 4 lines. Imagine if your teacher gave you a punishment to write Eva 1 million times. Were you going to write Eva 1 million times? Eva, 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 Eva. There is a cartoon. Cartoon name is Wall-E. So that Wall-E is a robot. He all the time say Eva, 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 Eva. By the way, my little daughter's name is also Eva, so I do too much Eva, 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 Eva. So, but I'm not gonna, it doesn't matter how much I love Eva, I am not going to write 1 million times Eva, Eva, Eva. I am a programmer, guys. Be smart. I rather write a code and make my daughter happy. Just write a code of 3 times, and here instead of 1000, I can write here even 1 million times. And I can, then it will display Eva according to how many times, what number you write here. But I will teach you how for loop works. So this is the syntax of for loop. Here this area called as declaration. Declaration. This area is condition. This area is condition, and this area is used for increment. Increment or decrement depends on what type of logic you are using. Okay, so in this first part, you are declaring, you are assigning int. Remember what is int? Integer. So I is a variable. Which type of variable? Integer type of variable. And the value of the I, you are starting with 1. So value of I will start with 1. Okay, so you are telling the computer, you are giving the instructions of C compiler to start with I is equal to 1. Start the value of I with 1. And now what is the condition? It is saying in this condition area, in this part after semicolon, this part is condition. Here you are giving instructions to C compiler that keep the I, keep it continue, keep the cycle continue, keep it repeated until how long? Until a value of I is less than or equal to 1000. Or you could only say until value of I is less than 1000. So then it will start from, if you only say keep it repeated until the value of I is less than 1000, then it will continue from 1 to 999. So you can do the double condition also, that keep it repeated, repeat it until how long? Until the value of I is less than. This is the sign of less than. I know, I hope you know. Or we will, if you don't understand this less than, greater than, then we can take one other class where we will focus on these operators. You call it operator. What is this operator? Less than operator. This is equal to operator. So keep it repeated, repeat it until the value of I is less than or equal to 1000. So it will start from 1001. It will repeat until the value of the I reaches to 1000. But how the value of I will reach to 1000? Because of this I plus plus. Here, what is the mean of I plus plus? The mean of I plus plus is what I plus plus is an operator. It is operator in C language. What plus plus do? Plus plus increments the value of I into every time it repeats to, it adds to 1. It increments to 1. So the meaning, there is a short form, the I plus plus is the short form. There is a bigger form of I plus plus also. What is the bigger and actual form? Which means I plus plus is same as if I was equal to I plus 1. So what I plus plus does, it does this. Like in the beginning, the value of I was 1. So it does 1 plus 1. Now value of I is 2. And then next time what it will do? Again it will do I is equal to I plus 1. But the next time, what is the value of I? The value of I next time is no longer 1. You already change it to 2. So next time it will do I is equal to I plus 1. Here the value of I was 2, which will change the value of I into I is equals to 3. So like this, it will keep repeating 1, 2, 3, 4 until 1000. Okay. So let's start the rest of the program. Let's continue on to the rest of the program. So what's happening here? Program is running. It came into the main. Remember, it starts from the main function. It came inside the main. It is running. Now it is here on the for loop. Okay. Now it will check. It starts with value of I is what? 1. Okay, fine. Value. Now it's checking here. Is the value of I less than or equal to 1000? So now you tell me. Tell me what is the value of I now? What is the value of I now? Come on guys. Come on, think. What is the value of I now? 1. We just started the value of I. We just tell our C language compiler to start the I with 1. So first time, what is the value of I here? The value of I is 1. Now you tell me, is this 1 less than or equal to 1000? Is it less than 1000? Yes. Is 1 less than 1000? Now 1000 is a bigger number, 1 is less number. So which means this condition at this time is true. The result of this condition is true. Because the result of this condition is true, because the 1 is less than 1000, it will not go here, it will come inside here. It will come inside the loop. It will come inside the loop. This is the loop starting point and this is the loop ending point. It will come inside the loop. It will print what? EVA. So on the computer screen, let's say this is the computer screen. It will print EVA. It will print EVA, right? It will print EVA, then it will come here. This is the end of the loop. Now what it will do? It will go back up to here. This time it will start from this side. This area only executes, it will check this part only in the first time. Now first time is done. You already write the number 1 EVA. So first time is done now. So now it will go back up, but this time it will not go here. Now forget about this. No, it will never go here. This part was only to initialize the value of I. Here I could be anything. I could be here, instead you could use, instead of I, you could use A. You could use B, anything you could use. Then that will become the name of that variable. So just to remove the confusion, I'm removing it. Now don't forget about this, okay? Because now it will never go here. This part is only the initialization. Declaration means to initialize something. So it already initialized the value of I. Now it will not go back here. So forget about it now. Now it will directly go here, and what it will do? It will do I plus plus. What is the mean of I plus plus? The mean of I plus plus is I is equals to I plus 1. What was the current value of I? Just now we checked, it was 1. So now what I plus plus will do? It will do 1 plus 1. It will add another 1 into the current value of I. Then I will become 2. What I will become? I will become 2. And then what it will do? Next step, this 2, the program will go here again to check the condition. Program will come here again to check the condition. This time, what is the value of I? It is no longer 1. We just now changed the value of I. We added another number into it. So now we change the value of I into 2. Now the value of I is 2. Now it will check the condition again. Is I less than or equal to 1000? What is the value of I? Tell me. Think. What is the value of I? Yes. Yes, Tom, you are right. Yes. The value of I is 2. So is, now you tell me. Yes, Eva. No, you're too small. You're not listening properly. You keep on playing. Okay, fine. Go play. Okay. Anybody? Yes, Melissa. Melissa, tell me. Tell me, Melissa. Melissa, tell me, what is the value of I? 2? Yeah. Is 2 less than 1000? No. Do you think 2 is greater than 1000? Oh, come on. Where is your mind? Please focus. Who wants to answer me now? Who wants to answer me now? Yes, you, Faisal. Mr. Faisal. Your name is Faisal, na? Yes, you see, I remember my students. You guys forgetting me. You not subscribing my channel. You not giving comments. No likes. Guys, don't you like me, yeah? I'm not too bad. I'm trying to teach you something cool stuff, huh? So Faisal, I remember you. So you also remember to click on like and then comment, share my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay? So Faisal, tell me, is 2 less than 1000? Yeah, you are right. 2 is less than 1000. So this time again, this condition is what? True. Because this condition is true, every time the condition is true, it will come inside the loop. It will come again inside the loop. Now the second time it will print what? It will print EVA. And then so on, so on, so on. It will keep repeating until, let's say, now every time it will go now up here and it will add the value of I into another one, and let's say this time it becomes, so it already done so many times, 999. Now the value of it came here, and now value of I is 999. So now tell me, is 999 less than or equal to 1000? Huh? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Asiya. Your name is Asiya, right? Yeah, how can I forget the name of the girls? Yes, Asiya. Asiya, tell me, is your name 999? Huh? Sorry, not your name. Now I'm getting confused. Okay. So is the value of I is 999? Yes, that's correct. Okay. What is your name? Akila. You see, I remember your name also. Akila, you tell me. Is 999 less than or equal to 1000? Yes? Okay, yes. Now tell me, is it less than 999 is less than 1000 or equal to 1000? Less than. Yeah, less than. Okay. So either less than or equal to, one of the condition has to be true. So this time again this condition is true. It will again come here, and then it will again write EVA, and then it will go up. It will turn the value of I into 999 plus 1. It will become 1000. Then it will come here again. It will check what is the value of I. Value of I is no longer 999. This time value of I is 1000. What is your name? Majid. Majid, you tell me. Majid, Mr. Majid, you tell me. Is value of I is 1000? Yes. Is it less than 1000? No, it is not less than 1000. You are right. Is it or equal to 1000? Remember, the condition is not less than only. Condition is or equal to. Is it equal to 1000? Yes, Majid, you are a champ, my bro. Very nice. So this time again condition is true. It will come here, print EVA the 1000 time. So many times until 1000 it will. So again it will go up. Sorry, I'm making it dirty now. It will go up. It will again increment the value of I into 1. So currently the value of I was 1000. Now what it will do? I plus plus. What is the meaning of I plus plus? Who will answer me? Aisha. Aisha, tell me, what is the meaning of I plus plus? I is equal to I plus. Yes, Aisha. Very good, Aisha. Aisha is right. I is equal to I plus 1. That is the meaning of I plus plus, which means I is equal to 1000 plus 1, because the value of I was 1000. So now what the value of I become? I is equal to 1001. See? Now it will again go up. It already went up, and now it turned the value of I into 1001. Then it will go back to here for the condition phase. Condition step, it will check the condition again. It will check the condition again. Now tell me, who will tell me now? What is the value of I now? Just now we did. Huh? Karika. Karika, tell me, what is the value of I? Yes, you are right. Well done, Karika. Value of I is 1001. Just now we turned. Okay, now who will tell me? Lanika. Your name is Lanika, right? Yes, little girl. Yeah, you are so cute. Okay. So Lanika, tell me, is the value of I less than 1000? No, I is bigger. I is 1001, and here it's only 1000. Is okay. The second condition, is the value of I equal to 1000? No, they cannot be equal. This is 1001, and 1001 cannot be equal of 1000. So it is either not less. Value of I is not less than 1000, and it is also not equal to 1000. That makes it what? That makes it, this condition, this time, false. It is no longer true. This condition is false now. This condition is false now. Because this condition is false, this time, remember I told you, it will keep going inside the loop as long as the condition, result of the condition is true. This time the result of condition is false. Because the result of condition is false, it will not go inside anymore. It will just escape, and it will do rest of the other things of the program, and then program will finish. This way, you see, such a big thing, such a big logic, you write only in 4 lines, and it can print EVA 1000 times or 1 million times. Doesn't matter what number you use here, it will display. That is it, guys. Keep watching my videos. I will keep teaching you so many cool stuff. This is not just this. I want to teach you so more things. So many more things I want to teach you. I will write down here again if you are forgetting. I will make you promise, guys, 500% guarantee. Keep eating apples. Apples are very healthy for the brains. Apple and banana I love. Yeah, parcel me some apple and banana. Okay, guys, keep software engineering. I will teach you. You will be able to write your own softwares. I will also teach you web development. You will be able to make your own websites. I will turn you into a top class programmer. I promise you guys. Even though I am not a top class programmer, but I will teach you, I will make you. You are more better than me. You are intelligent than me. If you want to keep learning, keep watching my videos, guys. Subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share the knowledge with others. It is very important. Please, guys, look after yourself. I love you all.